We're going to turn now to the fight against COVID and growing concern about the slowing rate of vaccinations across the country. They're actually down 75% since the April peak. We get more now from CBS's Janet Shamlian.
The president's drive to get 70% of Americans vaccinated by the 4th of July is hitting roadblocks, even with million-dollar lotteries and free beer. In a handful of states, mostly in the South, fewer than half of adults have had a shot. The rate's so low, it would take Mississippi more than a year to reach the 70% vaccination goal, and 2.5 years for Alabama.
Vaccine rates in much of the South are low. What are the consequences going into fall if they continue to stay low?
It's not just that they're low, they're really low. If you remember this time last year, we were looking pretty good. And then we saw this massive surge. And I worry with the low vaccination rates in the South, we could see something like that again.
The hesitancy includes hospital workers. A USA Today study found workers fully vaccinated at the nation's largest hospitals range from 91% at the high end to just 51%. Houston's Methodist says its rate is 99% for its 26,000 workers across 8 campuses. The hospital is requiring staff to be vaccinated by midnight or risk losing their job.
We have incredible real-world experience to show that these are safe and effective. And we're in a pandemic here, and we are a hospital system that cares for vulnerable people.
More than 100 employees have filed suit against the hospital, including nurse Jennifer Bridges.
Why have you decided not to get vaccinated?
There's not enough research on board. It's not fully FDA approved. It's still experimental.
Well, frankly, that's a nonsense claim.
Jennifer Bridges says she won't change her mind, and tonight will be her last shift.
The federal government recently updated vaccine guidance for employers, saying they could require workers to be vaccinated, but had to allow for medical and religious exemptions. But this case could soon be decided in court, possibly setting a precedent for the rest of the country. Norah?
Many will be watching. Janet Shamlian, thank you.